Hello engineers, a big recruitment update is coming up from Central Pollution Control Board. Let's check out. So you can visit the official website of Central Pollution Control Board to get this notification. The online application has already started from 7th of April. The last date for applying is 28th of April. Let's see the different posts. First one is Scientist B. It's a level 10 in the pay matrix. Pay scale is in the range of 56,000 to 1,77,000. 3 posts are released for SC category, 1 for ST, 7 for OBC, 1 for EWS and 10 for unreserved category candidates. So total of 22 vacancies are released. The upper age limit for this post is 35 years. Second is Assistant Law Officer. 1 post is released and upper age limit is 30 years. For Senior Technical Supervisor, 2 posts are released. Again, the upper age limit is 30 years. For Senior Scientific Assistant, 4 posts are released and the upper age limit is 30 years. For Technical Supervisor, 5 posts are released. The upper age limit is 30 years. For Assistant, it's a level 6 in the pay matrix, having the pay scale in the range of 35,000 to 1,12,000. Total of 4 vacancies are released and the upper age limit is 30 years. For Accounts Assistant, 2 vacancies are released and upper age limit is 30 years. For Junior Translator, 1 vacancy, upper age limit 30 years. For Senior Draftsman, 1 vacancy, upper age limit is 30 years. For Junior Technician, 2 vacancies are released and the upper age limit is between 18 to 27. For Senior Laboratory Assistant, it is a level 4 in pay matrix, having the pay scale in the range of 25,000 to 81,000. 2 posts are released and the age of the candidate should be between 18 to 27 years. For Upper Divisional Clerk, 8 vacancies are released. For Data Entry Operator, 1 vacancy is released. For Stenographer Grade 2, 3 vacancies are released. For Junior Laboratory Assistant, 2 vacancies are released. For Lower Division Clerk, 5 vacancies are released. For Field Attendant, 1 is released. For Multitasking Staff, 3 vacancies are released. So these details are given to you about the different posts which are released. For SC/ST category candidates, the age is relaxed by 5 years, means whatever upper age limit is mentioned previously, it is relaxed by 5 years for SC/ST category candidates. For OBC, it is relaxed by 3 years. For PWD category candidates, for unreserved and EWS category, it is relaxed by 10 years. For PWD OBC category candidates, the upper age limit is relaxed by 13 years. For PWD SC/ST category candidates, the upper age limit is relaxed by 15 years. Then for ex-servicemen, all these age relaxation is mentioned here. Let's talk about the eligibility. It is also mentioned in this notification. For the Scientist Group B post, you can see that the eligibility is mentioned here. This is again about PWD category candidates, about the different disabilities. Yeah, for Scientist category B, the essential qualification required is bachelor's degree in engineering and technology from a recognized university or institution in environmental engineering. 4 posts are there. Civil engineering, 3 posts are there. Instrumentation, 2 posts are there. Chemical engineering, 1 post is there. For mechanical engineering, 1 post. Artificial intelligence, 1 post. Computer science, 1 post. Information technology, 1 post. If you have the master's degree, definitely you will be getting the preference here. And if you have, so essential qualification, master's degree in chemistry, 3 posts are released. Environmental science, 3 posts. Microbiology, 2 posts from a recognized university or institution. If you are a NEET qualified or you have PhD, again you will be given more preference. For Assistant Law Officer, again all these qualifications are mentioned here. For Senior Technical Supervisor, for Senior Scientific Assistant, all these qualifications are mentioned for different non-technical posts, right? So you can quickly go through this. If you find this useful, don't forget to share with your friends. Sharing is caring, my dear. In today's world where the jobs are less, when such golden opportunity comes up, do share with your friends. You have to apply online. If you are applying for 2-hour examination, you will be charged 750 exam fees plus 250 for test session. That makes your total as 1,000 rupees. If you are applying for 1-hour exam, 350 exam fees plus 150 for test session, which makes your total of 500. So do check out this vacancy from Central Pollution Control Board. Huge number of vacancies are coming up, especially for core branches of civil and mechanical engineering students. So if you have liked the information, don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.